The Tale of Two Donkeys. Once upon a time, there were two donkeys tied together with a single rope. They lived in a field and always stayed close to each other. One day, both donkeys noticed two separate piles of grass, one on the left and one on the right. Both donkeys saw the piles of grass and got excited. Each tried to pull the other towards the pile they wanted to eat. They strained and pulled in opposite directions, but the rope kept them from reaching either pile. As they continued pulling against each other, they grew tired and frustrated. Despite their efforts, neither could reach the grass. They stopped for a moment to catch their breath and looked at each other. Suddenly, one donkey had an idea. It brayed and nudged its friend, suggesting they work together. The other donkey nodded in agreement. Instead of pulling against each other, they decided to cooperate. They first went to the pile on the left and ate the grass together. Both were happy and satisfied as they enjoyed the meal. After finishing the first pile, they walked together to the pile on the right. Since they were no longer pulling in opposite directions, they easily reached the second pile and ate their fill. The two donkeys realized the value of teamwork. They learned that by cooperating and working together, they could both achieve their goals. From that day on, they stayed united and helped each other in everything they did. Moral of the story: teamwork and cooperation can solve problems that seem impossible when working alone.